I was leaving home, I had nowhere to go, ready to turn the page and let it flow. Caught up in crossfire, I was trapped inside. I knew that I couldn't stay even though I tried. So I set sail for a different day. Felt the wind whispering away. Went along with what I had through flood and tide. Inside a smile, yeah, a smile. I spread my wings for a while. Then into the wild I fly so high, far from all the worries that I left behind. Watching the horizon falling from the sky. Into the wild I fly. With a bag full of memories tearing me apart. Never should've went there from the start. There's no need looking back, the wise man said. There's too much to see up ahead, so I spread my wings and then into the wild I fly so high, far from all the worries that I left behind. Watching the horizon falling from the sky. Into the wild I fly. Only for a minute, maybe for a day or two. See it from a different view and think things through. Nobody here but me. The endless sky is all I see. When I come back down I'll try, but if I fail I take my wings. Then into the wild I fly so high, far from all the worries that I left behind. Watching the horizon falling from the sky. Into the wild